I'm getting voltage to the motor, 208, 210. I'm getting my 24 volt signal for it to run, but my windings are open. And the motor needs to be replaced. Well, it's probably the module, but because the motor not gonna run if the module not sending power out. But I'm gonna replace the whole motor needs to be replaced. And this is what I'm working on. This is a Daikin. I believe it's a Daikin water source heat pump. I'm in the process of replacing this motor for this Daikin water source heat pump because it's not turning on despite me getting voltage, so it's probably the module, but I'm changing the whole thing. About to take it down and get the new one installed. New motor is operating. I'm going to correct rotation.